Chapter 1 Assignments, Question 4. Scott Montalvo wants to know the amount and the nature of inventory on hand as of December 15, 2014. Open the Larry's Landscaping and Garden Supply file you used in the chapter. Open an inventory valuation summary report. Write your responses to the questions below and print the inventory valuation summary report. As you can tell by the title bar, I already have the supply file opened. Letter A, what is the item description of inventory item pump? To find that description, we first have to open the inventory valuation summary, and we do that by going to Reports, Inventory, Inventory Valuation Summary, and then we find the inventory item pump, and the description is fountain pump number 198-30. Letter B, how many of this item were on hand on that date? As you can see over here, we have a column on hand, and we simply follow it across, and we know there are 48 fountain pumps. Letter C, what is the average cost of this item on that date? Next to the on-hand column is the average cost column. We again follow fountain pump across to average cost column, and the average cost is $53.94. Letter D, print the inventory valuation summary report in landscape orientation. We would do that by going to Print, Report, select the orientation, and it is already landscape, and you'd hit the print button. And I also forgot to mention in the question description, it said it wanted to know the amount and nature of inventory on hand as of December 15, 2014, but if it would have asked for a different date, we would simply change it by going here and then selecting whatever specific date it asked us for. And that is how you do question 4.